mamimili tayo ng mga souvenir. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan, mga souvenir. Or kung gusto mo, pwede rin ganito. Ayan, o. Ito, gusto mong ganyan, souvenir. So, we are going to, anong pangalan ng mama ulit? Wonder Park. Wonder Park. May batang ano, pipicture ng bago mag Wonder Park may pickleball court and parang ano, pang mga matatanda. Kahit yung mga naglalakad at nagbabike, puro matatanda. So, ayan. Nalagay na dito. We are at Vondel Park. Vondel Park. So, history. In 1864, a group of citizens led by Chris Peter Van Eycken decided to create a park for riding and strolling. Okay. So, more on ano talaga siya. Pang rides and stroll. And as you can see, there is a... ang hirap ulihin. Kulit ng mga ano, mga bees, ang daming bees. Which is good whenever you see bees. This is very good. Yeah. So mag-ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa parke. I think ang puntahan natin is, yeah, Wonder, nakita mo na nga, di ba? Nakalagay Wonder Park, tas may history pa. Merong ano eh, merong parang flower garden. So yun ang puntahan natin. Teka lang, check ko yung map. Kasi malaki-laki din siya. Baka maligaw tayo. Ulit ng picture. Ito kain ka. Paano pag biglaan tinoka? Di. Pupo. Hindi ipot, oo. Hindi ko alam kung anong marsh ducks. Because this is a marsh. Ayan, mga lumilipad bigla. Sayang hindi ko nakita. Capture. So mama, second day natin, anong ating itinerary?
Just
City tour on our own. So, inuna na namin tong Vondel Park since it's like 15-minute walk from our hotel.
And the weather is so nice.
Yeah, hindi ko in-expect na sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon kasi parang nakalagay mainit pa din. Kanina sa hotel room, medyo mainit, terik ang araw.
Akala niya mainit siya.
So, hindi ko in-expect na maganda yung weather. So, after this, where are we going? Going to...
Ano na yung mga nasa itinerary? Ang taas. Abot na ba?
itong bench na to, ng iinis. Nangiinis yung bench na to. Parang si Dagol na sumasampas. This bench is not for midgets like me. Sumama ka na. Halika, ikaw. Katawa ka dyan ng tawa, ikaw din. Sige nga.
Ayan. Oo, ang bilis lang eh. So, hirap mo.
Ganun talaga.
La 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 la.
So may mga natutulog sa paligid natin. Huwag natin silang gambalain. Ang ingay-ingay natin. Tara, maglaad na tayo papunta doon. Ang isa sa mga challenges is pagpasok namin dito sa park, nawala yung GPS. So ngayon, hindi niya tayo ma-detect. So, meron kami nakita dito. Ayan, ang ganda niya na pond and then may parang mansion sa backdrop. Unfortunately, hindi gumagana yung GPS, so hindi ko ma-identify yung lugar. And I think we're lost in the middle of Wandel Park. Hindi ko alam kung phone ko lang or whatever, hindi gumagana yung GPS. Tayo waiting for the tram. Maganda talaga dito. Saan na yung tram? Going to Central Station na tram. So from here, we're gonna ride 6 stops to the Anne Frank house. Ito, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo ba? This one looks really after this one. Ganda ng kulay. And we got off at Palenstrite Station. Yung unang-unang bumungad sa'yo is yung ito, Magna Plaza. And guess what? Hindi siya palasyo, hindi siya simbahan. Hindi siya sang shopping mall. Kulit. Let's go! Okay, so from there, maglalakad tayo going to the Anne Frank House. And here, may mga bagong bridge. And may kanal. Kabilaan yan. Walk of Pride.
I think it's really funny when you open the door when you come to my
Kaya pa? Siyempre kaya pa. Sandali pa lang tayo naglalakad. Mamaya pabalik tayo dito. Ano tayo? Doon tayo sa kabilang side. Doon yung Diwalin. Yo! At kailangan ko ng kape. Saan ba tayo makakawa ng kape? Dito, Albertine ulit. Shopping, ay grocery ulit tayo, mama. Albertine ulit eh. Okay, we are walking again and this is, oh my gosh, hindi sumusunod ang aking camera. This is Westerkirk. It is a Protestant church. I don't know if you can see here, but let me try to zoom in. Teka lang, naglalakad, mahirap. Mamaya na ako mag-zoom in. But we're going to Anne Frank House talaga. Ano lang to? Madadaanan lang. And yeah, let's go. Yan. Wait, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Hindi ikaw. Ayun, may ano. May crown. May crown siya doon. Yan, di ba? Ganda ng crown. So, again, it's not a Catholic church. It's a Protestant church. So, since here in Amsterdam, it's one of the most liberal, no, we're here, cities. This church supports Pride. Anne Frank House. Hindi kami papasok. We just wanna like stop by and look at it. If I don't know much about Anne Frank except nung high school. Of course, I think second year or third year high school, we read about the Diary of Anne Frank, which siya yung nagsulat nga ng mga nangyayari ng World War. And she's Jewish, her family is. She hid in the attic of their house, and that's where she wrote her diary na pinag-aralan natin nung high school. I mean, kung sa Pilipinas din kayo nag-aaral. Ayun, yun ang Anne Frank House. Unfortunately, namatay din siya. So, they only found her diary after she died. So, then after the war.
It's the hot chocolates. There you go. Be careful, it's hot.
Yeah, it is very hot. Yeah, it is hot choco.
I just warmed up the machine, so I put it in again. Remember, stroopwafels are always good. Cold,
it's hot.
warm, big, small.
Yeah.
Those are special.
This
But
is
if it's
XL.
warm, it's a bit nicer to eat.
Okay.
But also, guys, don't add anything on it.
Don't add, just the
Don't do
okay.
it.
The
Just eat
toppings
plain.
in
No
other
toppings.
restaurants.
Don't pay a lot of money.
The classic is better.
The classic is better, because that's the taste. And I know for sure you guys will love it.
Perfect.
Enjoy
Thank you.
it.
Thank you so
Have a
much.
nice day.
Thank you, thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.
So this is our first waffle and hot choco here in Amsterdam.
The best.
And we got it from the best right in front of Anne Frank house. Thank you.
So, ano sabi niya? Wag daw maglagay.
Yeah, so like you said, it's stroopwafel is better enjoyed when it's
Plain.
simple, plain, nothing added, no topping. So
Hot?
hot, good.
Last one, fries.
It's hot.
Not very hot. It's warm. That's it. It's not hot. Even the hot chocolate. It's
Kaya wala, hindi na pwedeng kahit wag nang lagyan kasi may partner siya.
yeah. So ito magkano to? 8 euros. So in
Ayan ba yung church?
church.
Parang it's close. Parang bango. Ano daw? Die Port Van Cleve. Yun o, yung sa taas. What? Melly's Cookie Bar. Sinusundan ka lang. Workshop. What? Nelly's.
Yan o, tingnan mo, ganito yan.
So, nasa mall kami. Anong pangalan ng mall? Magna Plaza.
Magna Plaza and
Mga ganyan love na ng mga al fresco dining. Okay. I want to take the street waffles.
So marami tayong makikita dito tulad nitong palasyo. The square. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam pa ng pangalan. But I'm thinking this is their royal palace. If I'm not mistaken. Yan ang kanilang royal palace. And then on the other side, yung Madame Tussauds. And then
And Papa, may ano, video. Winona. Wait, we're not may video, may video.
magkaganon pa ba tayo?
Saan nga yun?
ABS.
Ha?
ABS.
ABS.
CBN, malapit.
Nag-check-in ba tayo doon?
Hindi. Luma doon. Luma na. Tayo ay tambay lang dito sa Rembrandt House Museum. So siya yung bahay ni bahay ni Rembrandt. Museum Rembrandt House. So ito yung entrance to the museum. Siyempre, dito sa Amsterdam, theater. Academic for Theater and Dance. Wala. Ito yung open. Pwede na.
Oh, there's a pink boat. Can you see? Wow. Love.
The boat insulting us.
Oo, nakaka-insulto daw yung boat. Basa mo ba yun? Basa mo ba yung sinasabi ng boat? Ayun na, gusto ko yung pink. Parating na siya. Bagal niya. Oh, papa-picture daw sila. Percent na ba? Tagal ng ano, pink. Love, sakay tayo sa ganyan mamaya. Pag sunset. Hindi pala. Evening lang. So, mga ano. Tinan mo, ang weird ng gimbal. Dito ako nakaharap pero nandun yung...
Iba na concept. Hindi pa kayo setting. Hindi naka-follow yun.
Bakit?
Depende. Iiba mo kasi yung gimbal setting. Depende kung ano lang. Gusto mong vlog, naka-follow sa'yo. Kung gusto mo na may nakafocus lang
Hindi,
sa
pero
subject,
hindi.
pwede rin
Hindi
free
ng camera.
na ano.
Ininom mo agad, di ka pa kumakain.
Kung pamusog din ang beer. Kaya pag mag-video, dapat konti lang pa tayo.
So din last, ano to last, uminom ka na din ng beer. Yan. So ayun nga po, beer agad sila bago mag-lunch. We're in Argentinian restaurant. The view outside like this. The canal is just there. The order has arrived. Trip ng service. Meron pong nag-shopping ng ganito. See? So, nung ilan ang binili mo? Ha? Han? Nan binili mo? Sulong. Nahiya pa siya. Okay lang naman.
Siyempre, ano siya sa churros. Ang nili pa oh. Hindi siya makapili oh. Really? Wow. Churros overload. It's not churros, okay. But it's dessert. Is it yung stroopwafel also? So what do you want? Go. Just order anything you want. Top churros. Do. Yun oh. Pagkadating ng hotel, ano agad oh. Ano yung pinili mo? What's this? What's this?
Ano nga pangalan to, bebe? Toffee.
So it's not churros?
Toffee waffle.
Toffee.
Tumawag kasi ako nito.
And then bakerist. Bakerist talaga.
Ano to? Tart. Cream.
Okay. Now we need coffee.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Init na init. Walang AC. From Central Station, we are now here sa Lovers Canal Cruise. And siya oh. Oh, Lovers Canal. We're gonna have this what do you call this? Canal Cruise. Canal Cruise nga. Are you ready? Say go. Here. Dance. Pila na.
Yeah, this is without drinks or drinks. For the dinner, you can just wait and
Okay, thank you.
Yung mga nauna pa sa atin.
Hasta limon to push na sigara.
Han, ito ka.
Paano ito?
Ready na daw ang bangka. So tayo ay sasakay na. Importanteng maaga dito kasi hindi walang seats na reservation. So dapat mas maaga, mas maganda. Yan na. Tayo ay sasakay na ng bangka. Dito na tayo, mama. Dito na tayo.
first?
Yeah, sakto tatlo pala eh.
Ano, 6 stars.
Yeah. Alright, so we have to put the earphones there.
Saan sino nagbigay?
It's here in the seats. So it's a guided tour.
Ay, ito pala.
Yeah. So, Dance, can you put the earphones na? Can you plug in?
Where is Sophia? Sophia.
Ready na ba?
Also little earphones you found on your seats, and that's because almost everybody can choose his own language. It was quite easy. If you put the earphones in the green cabinet under your window, there you can select everything by yourself. You found it already. Left and right for the language. Just keep skipping till you find the language you need. You can also change the volume with up and down. Well, it's automatic, and it will start on the second bridge. So not the one behind me, but it takes a few minutes more before you hear something.
Hello? May natutunan ba kayo sa ating ano?
Sino ba yung
Tour?
orange yung kulay nila?
Yung Prince.
Prince ba yun?
Oo. Mama, nasa bike lane ka. Saan tayo next? Ah, okay. Diwalin.
Paano tayo pasok? Tram?
Ha? Tram ulit? Same nung kanina. Baba tayo sa ano? Malapit na stasyon. Kasi maiksi, hindi ko kinabit yung pang-connect. Ito lang. Check mo muna kung paano. Check ko muna kung paano tayo pupunta sa ano. Saan ba?
Albert.
Doon ba ulit?
Ulit. Hindi, let's see, let's see.
Kasi when would we eat it? Ano?
Ano? Sa Friday. But we'll see. So, time check, it's already 8 o'clock. Pero tirik na tirik pa rin yung araw.
Yung isang sign na ano lasing na isang tao.
Lasing?
Oo.
Ano?
Pag nagsasabi na ng gano'n.
Ano sinasabi?
Hindi ko narinig sabi.
No. Ano?
That was your age. Laging maraming tao sa ganito.
Were you gonna get something for Tita Jen?
Oh, yeah. Some other.
Huh?
Some other. Another McDonald's. Still in Central Station, I think. Ano siguro ng national costume nila yung cloud?
Mga rastahan. Dan, mama liga.
What?
What is that?
I don't know, with your papa. Ah. Pang reggae. Ito, part siguro ng ano nila to, traditional wear. Clog. Ito yung pupuntahan. Merong ano bukas lang. How to do it, yeah. You want that? Taga ano ba si Bob Marley? Di ba Bob Marley yun?
Bagay pangkalbo kasi yan eh.
Sinong kalbo? Sinong kalbo?
Pangkalbo sila.
Kalbo nga pala.
Kaso mainit eh.
Sinong kalbo? This is like Osaka or Shinjuku. Oy, halal food. Churros. Diba? Parang Osaka-han. Stay close.
Yung ano, Mama Holland Fries.
Na alin? Ah. Okay, ayan. Should we try? Should we try that fries? Holland fries. Feeling ko dun sa skin nito.
Oo. Yun nga. Ito may ano, may altar. Kung sa likod nga ito banda. Kasi may ano dyan. You know, umuyo.
Yeah, boy.
Mga ano-ano. Diyan sa mga kainan. The first coffee shop. Yun, amoy na amoy ah. Amoy mo? Yun yun.
Baho naman.
Di naman. So tayo po ay nakatayo ngayon sa Homo Monument. And it is what it sounds like. It's a Homo Monument. Dedicated for all those who fought for, who died fighting for equal rights. That's the Homo Monument. Mga Wow Malaysian restaurant. Ito yung manok na ano eh. Ang ano sa World Cup. May mga manok sa World Cup. Amsterdam Central. Ah, 'di ba? Ang ganda, 'di ba? O, 'di ba wala sa sentro. Ano, saan tayo pwesto? Selfie na lang. Sunset na kasi ano na eh. Oh, 9:20 na. 9:20 na, so pa-sunset na. Nice picture right now. Busy.